everyone. On this month's podcast, we're joined by Google's head of legal for Sub-Saharan Africa, Ife Osaga Ondondo, and also by my partner, Shem Otanga. Here's a bit of what we talked about. Ife, how did you get your name? You're a Kenyan girl, correct?
Yes, I'm Kenyan. Yeah. Actually, for a long time, nobody really cared about the name until the advent of Nollywood and Nigerian movies. And suddenly, everybody's like, are you Nigerian? I was like, you've been living with me for 10 years. How have I suddenly become Nigerian? And even I would go to immigration, and when I'd give my Kenyan passport, they say, Madam, where were you in Nigeria? So it's interesting. I've always known that I wanted to be a lawyer all my life, and then I remember my dad saying, we don't have any engineers in the family. So I had 2 years of saying that I'd want to be an aeronautical engineer. But in the end, I was like, I just want to be a lawyer. I used to talk too much. The thing is, I didn't talk for until age 3. My
wow.
They're like, oh my God, we have to take her to a speech therapist. And then when I talked, I didn't stop talking, But I always knew, and for me, it's not even the issue of saying lots of things. It's the issue of justice. For me, it's something I feel strongly about, and I felt, as I grew older, and I would see situations of injustice, like, I want to be able to be in a position where I can do something about it.
Cool.
This is something that I've just come to make my peace with recently, because we all grow up thinking you can have the perfect job and have the perfect family and be the perfect wife and perfect mother. Yeah. So I remember one year I said, a year ago, I wrote her a message, said, hey, happy birthday, Lina. I'll be home soon and we'll celebrate it. She says, yeah, mommy, thank you, mommy. I hope that one day you'll be home for my birthday.
No.
I cried. I'm a big grown woman, but I cried because I just felt like I failed her.
Yeah.
And I have a heavy, before COVID, I used to have quite a heavy travel schedule. And to be honest, every day I left and went to the airport, I felt guilty because it meant I missed certain moments in my children's life.
Yeah.
But I need to make those trips to be able to be a good lawyer, to meet my clients' needs and to do a good job. But then in the same way, it meant that I wasn't there for some things.
Yeah.
And so I continually lived a life of guilt. I think gone are the days where we let the regulator do their own thing and the industry did their own thing. I think that really it's a partnership. It's not an antagonistic relationship. It's a partnership to work together to ensure you have the right ecosystem, the right regulatory regime to ensure success of everybody. The consumer is protected, and you as a company are able to grow. In an environment that is enabling.
Join us Tuesday, March 2nd, 2021.